Hey there, my YouTube modeling friends. What's going on? Hey, I'm Chris. You know that because it says that in the little name down below where it says Carousel of Crazy, and then it says Chris B. That's the name that I use here, which actually is my real name. So, y'all know me as Chris, so I'm going to continue to go by Chris. That was 20 seconds of your wasted time not talking about models. Alright, so hey guys, I'm working on some stuff here, as you know. The camera is staring at a cardboard box there. But as you know, I'm working on the Darrell Waltrip number 11 Budweiser car, the damaged box one. Chassis, roll cage, is still turning out okay. Haven't done any work since the last video, but I did paint. If I didn't scratch paint. I did do some little bit of painting. I did a nice white coat of paint on it, and then I masked off for the blue. And I think the blue is actually a good color. This is all Rust-Oleum paint. The only problem is it's got a little bit of run through the tape there. So I'm hoping, like along the front there and on the side there, that might actually be covered up by decal. So I might be okay there. And in the back, I hope. I used, normally when I do the masking, and blood kind of through the door there. Normally when I do the masking, I'd use the Tamiya tape. I didn't use the Tamiya tape this time. I found some stuff at Hobby Lobby that's just listed as masking tape. $6.99. It's listed for hobby stuff. The Hobby Lobby tape. Looks like the Tamiya tape. I don't know if I just didn't put it on right or it just doesn't work as well. But we're going to give it a try because now I got to wait a couple. I find the Rust-Oleum 2X's here. Need a couple days here for it to actually dry and cure properly before you start putting more tape on it. But the top here is going to be all red, which, you know, shows on the box here. Whoa, no, in the box. So, yeah, going to do all that red there. So hopefully it will be okay. So the overspray on blue there will go away because the red kind of goes over the ledge there. And hopefully it won't get a lot of overspray of the red. And like I said, with the markings there, I think it's going to get covered up by sponsored decals. If not, I could shift it around a little bit to make it get covered up by sponsored decals. So, and it's coming along okay. Like I said, the roll cage, I haven't done anything with it yet. It's still waiting for the tires to be done. I was working with the tires on this next model I was working on. I can't get the body of the Darrell Waltrip car in the stand. There it goes. I started working on the Rick Wilson STP AMT Pontiac Grand Prix. The Richard Petty car after Richard Petty retired and I went to 44. And then eventually back to 43. But these AMT kits I always find pretty cool. Building this one right now. I did the Richard Petty one before. I will give a link down below. Oh, I made my finger down below. To the last Richard Petty one I did. I don't have the red paint available right now. So I'm going to do it the blue and white and then mask everything off. And hopefully next weekend I should be able to get the red that I use for the STP red. With that, I'm also going to get the yellow for the stalled out Dale Earnhardt Wrangler Thunderbird car because I need the proper yellow for that. So I started with the roll cage on it, and really that's all I've done on it is the roll cage. So this is it here. So it's coming along. These AMT kits are very underrated. Everyone always talks about how cool the monogram ones are, but these AMT ones got a lot of detail for them. They go together pretty well. So I need a few touch-ups, like the yellow around the shocks there. I actually used acrylic yellow on that. First time I ever used that, so I need some touch-ups there. Engine, I basically did a gloss black, and then the silvers, the aluminums, the golds. Need some gloss black touch-up around the suspension there. Rear suspension came out okay. Gonna finish up with the fuel cell here. Should be alright. And then I got some parts here, like the brakes here I was painting. That didn't get painted. You know, there's a bunch of stuff here. Here's the steering wheel for it. Needs a little focus. There we go. Needs some touch-up paints there. You know, to snip it off the tree there. So once that gets all in there, it should be alright. You know, I can need to touch up the silver around the buckles there for the window net and whatnot. Started with the sanding of the tires, which I need to do for that Monte Carlo as well. sanding the tires, I actually just used the DeWalt drill. I believe it is, what size it is? A 13 millimeter. This trick goes around the internet quite a few times. Just snap the tire on there. You take your sanding stick. I use dollar store sanding sticks. Sit there in the cosmetics and go, ooh, I want those. And then, oh, it is a two-hand job here, and one hand holds the phone. And then you just kind of just do that and do it till you get nice looking traction. That's a tip that goes around the internet quite a bit. Body I've done absolutely zero to. So, hey, this is where I'm at right now. I'm looking at the STP Rick Wilson Grand Prix. Total brain fart there. The Darrell Waltrip number 11 Monte Carlo. Keeps falling off the McDonald's cup that I used to paint on. So, when I have more updates, I will give you more updates. But that's where I'm at right now, guys. Hey, as always, I appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate you guys subscribing. Appreciate you guys writing. I always try to write you guys back. So, yeah. Today's Friday afternoon. It probably won't get posted until later this evening. So, if I don't hear from you guys have a good weekend. Hope you all had a good week. And I shall talk to you guys.